Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about some more operations or some more option which you can use in your MS Excel. In the previous video, we discussed about the introduction for MS Excel, that it is like a spreadsheet program which help us to present our data in organized form, and we discuss about the different components of this Excel window as well. Now how we can open the blank workbook, go to new, click on blank workbook. This is how we open your new workbook. Now today in today's video we are going to discuss about some more operation. So this is the PDF for your next options. First topic is entering data, then saving a workbook, selecting cells, and editing data, deleting data, undoing changes. All this operation we are going to discuss today, and I requested to all of you kindly read this PDF properly. So let's start how you can perform it. So the very first is entering data, how you can enter the data in worksheet. Select the cell where you want to enter your data like this. Next, keep on entering according to your requirement. So this is your data, how you can enter it in your workbook or worksheet. So when we enter the numbers, it always come to the right side of the cell, and when we enter text or English alphabets, it's always come towards my left hand side. And the second way is also that select the cell wherever you want to enter the data and go to your formula bar. Here also you can enter your data whichever you want to enter. So this is how you can enter the data in worksheet. Next is, if you want to save your workbook, how you can save it. Go to file, here's the option save, and choose your location where you want to save it, and give your name. Click on save button. So this is how you can save your workbook. Next is, shortcut key for save is Ctrl plus S. Next is selecting the cell. If you want to select the cell, how you can do it. If you want to select one particular cell, just go to the cell which you want to select and click on that. Now this is also become my active cell. As you can notice, the green boundaries outside of it. To select of entire row, how you can do it, these are called row heading. You can simply click on the row heading, which entire row you want to select it will select your entire row. For entire column, select your column heading for the which column which you want to select. So this is how you can select entire row and entire column. Next is to select a group of the cell. When you want to select more than one cell at a time, suppose I select this one cell, hold down my left button of the mouse and just drag my mouse for selecting the group. And if you want to copy it, Ctrl plus C. Here I want to paste, Ctrl plus V. So this is how you can select group of the cell, copy it and paste it. The next topic is editing data in worksheet. Suppose I enter this data in this cell, B2 cell, then this is name box which shows the address of the cell or name of the cell. I want to change this. How you can do it? First click on it, or you can simply do double click on it. When you do double click on the particular cell, you notice the insertion pointer inside the cell, and you can perform your editing or the changes within the cell. So this is how you can edit your data. Next is deleting. Select the particular cell for which you want to delete the data. Select it, press delete key. I want to select this much and delete. If you want to delete the entire row data, select your entire row and click on delete. Next one is undoing changes. Undoing changes means undo button or undo option. Now I want to revert back my last change. Last I deleted this data and I noticed that by mistake I deleted. You can use undo button. This is your undo button and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus Z, and it will revert back your last changes. Now this I do delete it, I do undo, so this is how it will come back. And the next option is redo. Redo is used to cancel the operation which we have performed with undo, and the shortcut key is Ctrl plus Y. So now first I delete it, then I undo it, and then when I do redo, again the data will be deleted. So this is all about your today's topic. And everyone, I will share this PDF with you as well. Kindly read the PDF properly so that you can know about the steps to how to perform these operations.